2013, 14, 15, 16.
16.
2014 संसद आदर्श ग्राम योजना. Youth Abhyas exercise is between India and which country?
USA.
USA. USA.
Correct. Which of the following awards is given for excellence in sports? Jamnalal Bajaj Award, Murti Devi Award, Arjuna Award, Tagore Award.
Arjun Award.
Arjun.
Correct. Who among the following was not associated with excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? R.D. Banerjee, V.A. Smith, M.S. Bhatts, K.N. Dixit.
Dikit.
Ken Dixit.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ V.A. Smith ଜଣେ historian ଥିଲେ. So he was not associated with excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro.
Oh.
Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon at which place? Vaisali, Sarnath, Pavapuri,
Sarnath.
Kosambi.
Sarnath.
Correct.
Sarnath.
Which
Sarnath.
correct? Who is called Napoleon of ancient India? Chandragupta Maurya,
Samudragupta.
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 Chandra. Samudra.
Samudragupta correct. V.A. Smith ଯିଏ ଥିଲେ historian ସେ ହିଁ କହିଥିଲେ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କୁ Napoleon of ancient India. Which Chinese traveler visited India during
Huensang.
Harshavardhan's rules? Correct.
Huensang.
Friends.
Huensang. फाहियान ଯିଏ ଥିଲେ ସେ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆକୁ ଡ୍ୟୁରିଂ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଟୁଙ୍କ ରେନ୍ରେ.
Chandragupta II.
Two. Vikramaditya.
नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज अढ़ाई दिन का जोपड़ा? टेम्पल, टावर, सेंट्स हट, मस्क.
Mosque.
करेक्ट.
Moscow.
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
Ajmer.
Rajasthan.
ଆଜମେର. କରେକ୍ଟ.
Ajmer.
Rajasthan.
नेक्स्ट इन व्हिच लैंग्वेज वाज तुजु की बाबरी रिटन? पर्शियन, अरबिक,
Persian.
Persian.
तुर्किश. तुर्किश लैंग्वेज. बाबरଙ୍କ ଅଟୋବାୟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଥିଲା. Who was the commander of Rana Pratap's army in the Battle of Haldi Ghati? Who was commander of Rana Pratap's army? Man Singh, Hakim Khan, Amar Singh, Shakti Singh.
Man Singh.
Hakim Khan. In the Battle of Haldi Ghati in 1576, which was fought between Maharana Pratap under command of Hakim Khan and Mughal Emperor Akbar's force led by Man Singh. What was the capital of Shivaji? Kolhapur, Sindhudurg, Pune, Raigad.
Kolhapur.
Raipur.
Raigad thila, Raigad.
Right.
In which year Regulating Act was passed? 1757, 1768.
1773.
73.
Correct. In 1857, who was the Governor General? Wellesley Canning, Minto
Lord
Delhi.
Canning.
Lord
Canning.
Canning.
Correct. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? Kumaragupta, Dharmapala.
Dharmapala.
Kumaragupta.
Dharmapala.
Kumaragupta, correct. Kumaragupta. 1193 ରେ ତୁର୍କିଶ ରୁଲର କୁତବୁଦ୍ଦିନ ଆଇବାଙ୍କର ଜେନେରାଲ ବକ୍ତିୟାର ଖିଲଜି ଡିମୋଲିସ୍ଡ ନାଲନ୍ଦା ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ରିଭାଇଭ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଧର୍ମପାଳ. ନେକ୍ସଟ ହୁ ୱାଜ ଦ ଅଥର ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିକା? ବିଷ୍ଣୁଗୁପ୍ତ, ମେଘାସ୍ଥିନିସ୍, ପ୍ଲିନି.
Megasthenes.
Correct. Which Sikh Guru was born at Patna? Guru Nanak, Guru Hargobind, Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Tegh Bahadur.
Tej Bahadur.
Guru Nanak.
10th Sikh Guru Gobind Singh was born at Patna. Who was the president of Goya session of INC in 1922? Chittaranjan Das, Hakim Ajmal Khan, Rajendra Prasad, S.N. Banerjee.
Rajendra Prasad.
SN Banerjee.
Chittaranjan Das. Goya session of INC was presided over by Chittaranjan Das. By which name Jayaprakash Narayan is known? Lokmanya, Loknayak, Lokhitwadi, Lokneta.
Lok
Loknayak.
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 Correct.
Loknayak.
Correct. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Sucheta Kriplani, Anita,
Anivis
Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi.
Sarojini Naidu.
Indian woman.
Sarojini Naidu.
Correct. Sarojini Naidu, Kanpur session 1925, first Indian woman president, and first woman president 1917 Ani Besant, Calcutta session. Where did Madame Bhikaji Cama hoist the first tricolor flag in 1907? Paris, Stuttgart, Moscow, London.
Stuttgart.
Stuttgart.
Correct. Germany, Stuttgart. After which incident Mahatma Gandhi called non-cooperation movement as his Himalayan blunder?
Chauri Chora incident.
Correct.
Chora.
Chori Chora incident, correct. Which movement started after partition of Bengal? Civil disobedience movement, Swadeshi movement, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement.
Swadesh movement.
Swadesi movement.
Correct. Which country among the following has the largest coastline? USA, Canada,
Gujarat.
Australia, India.
Gujarat. Canada.
Canada.
Country Canada.
Canada. Correct. The largest producer of aluminium in the world is what? France, China, India,
You.
Italy.
China.
China.
Correct. Next. The Pennines, the Appalachians, and Aravallis are example of which mountains? Old, Fold, Young, Block.
Young Fold Mountain.
Young full.
Option thila Old Mountains,
Old Mountain.
Block Mountains, Young
Mountain.
Mountains.
Old Mountain.
Correct.
Old Mountain.
Fold Mountain, Fold, not Old. Fold Mountains. Pennines जोटा यूरोप रे अछि. Next Appalachians जोटा अमेरिका रे अछि. Then Aravallis जोटा इंडिया रे अछि. सब होला
Rajasthan.
Fold Mountains. Next. Which of the following drainage systems fall into Bay of Bengal? Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari, Luni, Narmada and Tapi, both A and B. Sorry, both B and C.
Both A and
Both B
B.
and C. Koda.
Ganga.
Correct. Dita basin जोटा ऑप्शन रे
Mahanadi.
महानदी कृष्णा कावेरी आ गोटे गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र
Second.
दीटा
Come on.
तो दीटा ऑप्शन हबो. The oldest oil field in India is what? Digboi, Ankleshwar,
Digboi.
Bombay,
Digboi Assam.
correct.
Assam.
Digboi, Assam. In India, which river is known as Yarlung Jangbo River?
Brahmaputra.
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 Which of the following is the driest region? Mumbai, Delhi, Leh, Bengaluru.
Leh.
Leh.
Correct.
Yeah.
Which of the following states has not identified tribal community? Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Haryana.
Haryana.
Karnataka.
Haryana.
Karnataka.
Tribal କହିଛି tribe
Haryana.
Haryana.
Har-
Next, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is located at Gandhinagar, Bharatpur,
Haryana.
Chandigarh, Gurgaon.
Haryana.
Haryana.
Option हिसाब रे गांधीनगर, चंडीगढ़,
Chandigarh.
भरतपुर, गुड़गांव.
Gurgaon.
Gurgaon.
Bharatpur टे Rajasthan.
Correct, गुड़गांव. Next, Nagarjuna Sagar multi-purpose project is on which river? Krishna, Godavari,
Krishna.
Tapi.
Godavari.
Krishna.
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 Krishna. What is chiefly found at Jharia in Jharkhand? Gold, coal, silk, coal.
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 Correct.
Coal.
Which of the following the decentralization system was recommended by whom? The decentralization system. J.B. Kriplani, Ashok Mehta, Balwant Rai Mehta, C. Rajgopalachari.
बलवंत राय मेहता.
Correct. Balwant Rai Mehta. Next. The controlling authority of government expenditure is what? Planning Commission, Finance Ministry, Finance Commission, Reserve Bank of India.
Finance Ministry.
Correct.
Finance
Finance Ministry.
Finance
Ministry.
Ministry.
Controlling authority. Service tax in India was introduced in which year? 1994.
1994.
बहुत बढ़िया.
94.
1994 at the recommendation of Dr. Raja Chelia Committee on tax reforms. The currency which has a tendency of quick migration is called what currency? The currency which has a tendency of quick migration. Hot currency, soft currency, hard currency, gold
Hard
currency.
currency. Hard currency.
Hard currency. Which of the following? True or false କହିବ? Bank rate is the rate of interest which RBI charges its client on their short-term borrowing.
True.
को चार्ज करता है RBI.
Wrong ଅଛି.
କ'ଣ ହବ?
बैंक को चार्ज करता है पा.
ଭୁଲ ସେଠି ନଥିଲା ସର୍ଟ ଟର୍ମ
Commercial bank.
ଠିକ ଥିଲା ସେଟା ଯେ ସର୍ଟ ଟର୍ମ ବୋରୋଇଂ
Short term
ହବନି
ନଥିଲା, ହଁ.
ଲଙ୍ଗ ଟର୍ମ ହବ
ଏଟା ଲଙ୍ଗ ଟର୍ମ ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେଟ୍ ଟା.
ରେପୋ ରେଟ୍ ଟା ସର୍ଟ ଟର୍ମ
ସର୍ଟ ଟର୍ମ.
ତ ଦିଟା ନହେଲେ ପୁରା ସେମ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ସର୍ଟ ଟର୍ମ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଟର୍ମ ହିସାବରେ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ନେକ୍ସଟ which is not a component of Bharat Nirman rural housing rural electrification agro based industries rural telephony
Rural telephone.
Agro-based industry.
agro based industry correct Bharat Nirman is a plan for creating rural infrastructure. Who founded Pagalpanth? Yadubendra Singh, Karam Saha, Bule Saha, Swami Sahajanand. Pagalpanth
Swami Sahajanand.
Last one के.
एटा हेइतला गारो हिल्स पाखरे हेइतला 19th सेंचुरी रो स्टार्टिंग रे तो करम साहा फाउंड करथिले पागलपंथी मूवमेंट to uphold the religion and rights of the peasants in Bengal. Ramosi uprising को क्षेत्र रे हितला वेस्टर्न इंडिया ईस्टर्न इंडिया वेस्टर्न घाट्स ईस्टर्न घाट्स वेस्टर्न घाट्स रो हिली ट्राइब्स को द्वारा हितला नेक्स्ट न्यू लैम्प्स फॉर द ओल्ड गोटे आर्टिकल थिला दैट क्रिटिसाइज्ड द कांग्रेस फॉर बीइंग आउट ऑफ टच with the proletariat. Who was the author of this article, New Lamps for Old? Aurobindo Ghosh, A.O. Hume, B.G. Tilak, G.K. Gokhale.
Aurobindo Ghosh.
Sir, A.U. Hume.
New Lamps for Old लिखितले
A.U. Hume.
Aurobindo Ghosh.
B.G. Tilak ना Hume.
Aurobindo Ghosh लिखितले. He was the leader of extremist fraction of Indian National Congress. Who raised the demand of complete independence for the first time in 1921?
जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
मौलाना मोहम्मद अली,
दादा भाई ना.
मौलाना हसरत मोहानी, महात्मा गांधी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
Hasrat Mohani.
हसरत मोहनी.
हर्षद मोहनी.
Correct. 1921 Allahabad session of All India Congress Committee रे Maulana Hasrat Mohani and Swami
ତାପରେ
Swami
1929 ଇଏ କରିଥିଲେ।
Maulana Hasrat Mohani and Swami Kumaranand jointly moved the resolution of complete independence. Maulana Hasrat Mohani and Swami Kumaranand. Next, in which year Bengal Tenancy Act was passed? 1885, 86, 1889, 1900.
1885.
1886.
1885, correct. Which roundtable conference was held in 1932?
ଥାର୍ଡ
third round.
Third round
Correct.
table.
Who highlighted plight of the peasants of Champaran by writing under pseudonyms like Dukhi, Dukhi Atma, Dukhi Hridaya? ଥାଉ କୁହନି ମୁଁ କହିଦେଉଛି ସେମିତି ପୀର ମହମ୍ମଦ ମୁନି କହିଥିଲେ ଆସିନଥାନ୍ତା କହିଦେଲି ଆଉ ପୀର ମହମ୍ମଦ ମୁନି କହିଥିଲେ plight of the peasants of Champaran by writing under pseudonyms Dukhi, Dukhi Atma, Dukhi Hridaya. tan 60 degree √3 ହେଲେ କଣ ପଚାରିଦେଲି ଗୋଟେ sec 60 degree କେତେ ହବ cloves are obtained from the which part of the plants? Dried leaves, dried stems, dried seeds, dried flower buds.
ଡାଏଡ୍ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର ବୋଟ୍ କ୍ଲୋଭ୍ସ
Correct. Oncogenes are associated with what? Tuberculosis,
Cancer.
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 Correct.
Cancer.
Cancer.
Correct. Among the following, which is the most reactive metal? Sodium, potassium, calcium, iron.
Sodium.
Potassium.
Sodium.
Potassium is the most reactive.
ପୋଟାସିୟମ ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ତାପରେ sodium।
Next. What was the fissionable material used in the bomb dropped at Nagasaki in 1945? What was the fissionable
Hydrogen.
material? Sodium, plutonium, uranium, potassium.
Plutonium.
Correct.
Plutonium. Plutonium.
The scientist who discovered first that the Earth revolves round the sun. Newton, Copernicus, Dalton, Einstein.
Copernicus.
Newton.
Copernicus. Which of the following elements?
Copernicus.
Which elements among the following is found in all organic compounds? Calcium, carbon,
Carbon.
nitrogen.
Carbon.
Correct.
Carbon.
Next. After the Mahaparinirvana of Lord Buddha, the first Buddhist council was held at which place? Gaya, Vaishali,
Rajagriha.
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 Correct. In which year Bihar became a separate province in India? 1897,
1912
1912, correct.
Para.
କାହାଠୁ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଥିଲା?
ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ଆଉ ଓଡିଶା ପା ନା ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ କୋଉଠି ଥିଲା?
ନା ନା ଓଡିଶା ବିହାର ତିନିଟା ଥିଲା ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ଓଡିଶା ବିହାର।
Who invited Gandhiji to Champaran? Rajendra Prasad, Rajkumar Shukla, Majrul Haq.
Rajkumar Shukla.
ଶୁକ୍ଲା
Correct.
Rajkumar Shukla.
Who began Faraiji movement? Syed Ahmad, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Salimullah, Haji Shariatullah.
Syed Muhammadullah.
नहीं, Haji Shariatullah.
First.
Haji Shariatullah.
Sir, movement name कौन है?
Faraji movement. Faraji. Faraiji. Which sultan was reputed to be Akbar of Kashmir? Samsuddin Shah, Qutbuddin, Sikandar, Jainul Abidin.
Joinlin
Joinal Abdin.
Correct. Jainul
Some.
Abidin. Sultan Jainul Abidin is the eighth Sultan of Kashmir. Is known as Akbar of Kashmir. Who wrote the book Poverty and On-British Rule in India?
Dadabhai
Dadabhai
Naroji.
Davinaraji.
Dadabhai Naoroji. Who raised the flag of independence at Congress session of 1929?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct. The pass Karewas, which are useful for cultivation of saffron, are found in which Himalaya? Kashmir Himalaya, Eastern Himalaya, Garhwal Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya.
Kashmir Himalaya.
Kashmir.
Karewas.
Kashmir Himalaya.
Correct.
Kashmir Himalaya.
In Government of India's Niti Aayog, what is the full form of Niti?
National
National
Information
Information Transforming Ayog.
National Institution for Transforming India.
Correct. National Institution for Transforming India.
India.
It was formed on 1 January 2015 to replace
2015.
Planning Commission.
Planning Commission.
12.
Which state of the following is called Sugar Bowl of India? Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Maharashtra.
UP.
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 Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Which article directs the state government to organize panchayats? 33, 40, 48, 50.
40. 40.
40.
Article
40.
40.
40.
In which year Jharkhand came into existence? 1998, 99, 2000, 2001.
2000.
2000.
2000. 15 November 2000. Governor of a state is appointed by whom? Prime Minister, President, Chief Justice of High Court, Chief Justice of India.
President.
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 Correct.
President.
Chairman of State Public Service Commission is appointed by whom? President, Governor
Governor.
of State, Chief Minister.
Governor.
Governor of
Governor.
State.
Governor.
Correct.
Governor of the state.
In order to be chosen as a member of Lok Sabha, a person must not be less than age of what? 18, 21, 25.
25.
Correct.
25.
Correct.
25.
25.
In which year Sarkaria Commission submitted its report? 1983, 85,
1980.
88. Correct. 1988.
88.
It was constituted in 1983, but it submitted its report in 1988. Which article,
Report in it.
under which article formation of Finance Commission is laid down?
This are
280.
Resource.
280.
Correct. The Attorney General of India is appointed by whom? Law Minister, President, Speaker of Lok Sabha,
President.
Prime Minister.
President.
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 Next. Pura model, that is providing urban amenities to rural areas. Pura model was advocated by whom? APJ Abdul Kalam, Manmohan Singh, Lal Krishna Advani, Rajiv Gandhi.
Manmohan
Rajiv
Singh.
Gandhi.
Pura model, provision of urban amenities in rural areas. It was given by former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Next. As per census 2011, what was the female literacy rate of India? 74.04, 82.14, 63, 65.46.
63.
74.
63.
63.
65.06.
46, correct. 65.46 was the female literacy rate. Male literacy rate 82.14 and overall literacy rate 74.0.
74.04.
74.0.
Correct. Next. At present, which of the following is the which state has the highest density of population according to census 2011? Among the
Bihar.
following.
Bihar.
Uttar Pradesh. Bihar.
Bihar.
Bihar, correct.
Bihar.
Bihar.
1106 थिला. What was the immediate cause of Deccan riots of 1875? What was the immediate cause of Deccan riots of 1875? Shadow of a famine, high land revenue rate, high interest rates charged by Mahajans, protest against imposition of religious reforms.
High interest
Last
rate.
one.
High interest rates charged by Mahajans. It was the immediate cause of Deccan riots in 1875. Which among the following was not a nationalist newspaper? The Hindu, Maharata, Times of India, Bengali.
Times of India.
Times of India.
Correct. ଆଉ ସବୁ nationalist newspaper ଥିଲା. ମହାରଟ୍ଟା by ବାଲଗଙ୍ଗାଧର ତିଲକ, The Hindu by G. Subramanya Iyer, and Bengali by Surendranath Banerjee.
Banerjee.
How old was Bhagat Singh when he threw a bomb in the assembly in protest against government? 25 years?
23.
20.
23. 21.
Option
So
ହେଲା.
three.
Option ବଢିଆ ବଢିଆ option ଅଛି. Option ହେଲା 25 years, 21 years, a little more than
21.
21 years, a little more than 25 years.
A little more than 21 years.
21 years ago.
Correct. A little more than 21 years. Next. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in context of which Gandhian satyagraha? Rowlatt Satyagraha, Swadeshi Satyagraha, Bardoli Satyagraha, Individual Satyagraha.
Rowlatt.
Rowlatt
Rowlatt at
Rowlatt
Satyagraha.
Act ଯୋଉଟା.
Correct. Which of the following was first satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi in India? Champaran, Ahmedabad, Bardoli,
Champaran.
Individual.
Champaran.
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 Correct. 1 to 50 ଭିତରେ କେତେଟା ପ୍ରାଇମ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି?
15ଟା.
ବଢିଆ ମନେ ରଖିଛ ଆଉ. ନେକ୍ସଟ. x plus 1 by x 1 ହେଲେ x square plus 1 by x square କେତେ ହବ?
ରେ 1 square minus 2
-1.
and 0 1 ହଁ -1 ହବ.
-1 ହବ.
n square minus 2n formula.
Correct. Body temperature is regulated by what? Thalamus, medulla, hypothalamus, cerebellum.
Hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus.
Correct. Electroencephalogram is used in monitoring what? Liver, heart, brain, pancreas.
Heart.
Brain.
ନା sorry brain.
এটা ଯେବେ ପଚାରିଲେ ଭୁଲ ହବ sure. Next. Frequency is measured in what? Hertz, radian, watt.
Hertz.
हे किए कौन कहि दउछ आजिकली? Angstrom is a unit of what? Energy, velocity, frequency, wavelength.
Wavelength.
Correct.
Wavelength.
Which of the following has pH value 7? Neutral, acidic, pure water, basic solution.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Water.
Neutral.
Neutral solution. Correct. Neutral.
Distilled water ର ବି ତ 7 ହବ ନା?
Pure water.
7.4 ହବ ତାର.
Correct.
କିନ୍ତୁ distilled water ର ତ 7 ହବ ଆମ lab ର ଟେଷ୍ଟ ହଉଛି.
Pure water तो 7 होगा नहीं की?
ହଁ distilled water ଟା sir 7 ହିଁ ହବ.
ତାହେଲେ ଅପସନ ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ଆଉ. What is the value of 40 degree Celsius in Fahrenheit scale? ଥାଉ ଏଟା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ହଁ ଅପସନ ହିସାବରେ କହିଦେଇ ପାରିବ. ଦେଖିବା 75 degree Fahrenheit, 100 degree Fahrenheit, 102 degree Fahrenheit, 104 degree Fahrenheit.
104.
40 degree Celsius. Correct. 104 degree Fahrenheit. ओके वर्तमान सठिक उत्तर दे पाइछंती किछि नुह कोठी एरर अछि कहबो कोन कहबो
Error.
error. The process of removing wool from the body of an animal is called shearing.
सर की टर्म कहले से
Shearing.
সেটা তো অলগা থিব না
Correct.
অপশন আছে
Shearing হবনি সেটা shearing হবো হলা এটা একটা অজীব টাইপর এরর নেক্সট আফটার রিডিং ফরওয়ার্ড অফ দ্য বুক ফরওয়ার্ড জানিছ তো বুক রে থায়ে হলা আফটার রিডিং ফরওয়ার্ড অফ দ্য বুক এনভায়রনমেন্টাল ইস্যুজ ইন ইন্ডিয়া I decided to meet its author. After reading foreword of the book, Environmental Issues in India, book ro na hela Environmental Issues in India, I decided to meet its author.
फास्ट पार्ट रे की
कौन हबो ठीक अछि कौन हबो forward of the book हुएनी जे पढ़ी थिबो forward to the book हुए after reading forward to the book Environmental Issues in India, I decided to meet its author. Next quote here अछि कहबो the principal of our school felicitated the students in the prize distribution ceremony. The principal of our school felicitated the students in the prize distribution ceremony.
इन्दो प्राइस स्ट्रॉन्ग
कौन हबो
টু দ্য পাইছে
Add the price.
जबरदस्ती चेंज करछ नो एरर the principal of our school felicitated the students ceremony रे जाइछंती तो स्टूडेंट्स को सेइथरे करिवे इन द प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी नेक्स्ट if you were to were hela WERE if you were to come to Chennai to settle down it will be the best possible decision.
वुड हवा इट विल नाइन वेट वुड
वुड
Correct.
कोयर अछि
Correct. Would হবো next 365 create of the number of days in a calendar 365
क्रिएट
कौन हबो
ক্রিয়েটস
क्रिएट हवा
creates हबोनी कहीं creates हबो 365 plural हला
नहीं नहीं
create of the number of days in a calendar
एंड अच्छी
एट इनटू हबो कि
ओके सर एंड अच्छी प्लूरल हवा
create into हबोनी make up हबो create up नुह make up
Makeup.
365 make up the number of days in a calendar. $10,000 is the prize money being offered by the game show hosts. $10,000 is the prize money being offered by the game show hosts.
Sir, being used है
Being offer.
being टा
Being offered ଲାଗିଛି କ'ଣ
Correct ଅଛି sir.
correct ଅଛି very good. $10,000 is the prize money being offered by the game show host.
Passive ହେଇଛି ଏଠି ପା sentence ଟା।
କ'ଣ
ମୁଁ କହିଲି passive ଅଛି ନା sentence ଟା।
passive ଅଛି ବିଲକୁଲ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବ ଇଂଲିଶ ପଚାରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସବୁ ଚୁପ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କେହି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଗାଲଭାନାଇଜେସନ ଇଜ ଏ ମେଥଡ ଅଫ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟିଂ ଆଇରନ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ରଷ୍ଟିଂ ବାय କୋଟିଂ
Roasting.
ନାଇଁ ଏରର ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ଜିକେ ଏଟା
ଏଇଟା
ନାଇଁ sir,
chemistry।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଜିଙ୍କ କହିଲ କି କିଏ ଗୋଟେ କହିଲା ରଷ୍ଟିଂ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି galvanization is a method of protecting iron from rusting by coating with a thin layer of zinc. Which of the following alloy contains non-metal as its constituent? Non-metal: brass, bronze, amalgam, steel.
amalgam
Amalgam.
କୋଉଥିରେ non-metal ଟା ଥାଏ non-metal correct.
Steel ତ ନିକ୍ରୋମ ଥାଏ ନିକ୍ରୋମ ଟା କ'ଣ metal ନା?
sir English ବି କିଛି ରଖନ୍ତୁ session ରେ ଯେମିତି like ଯୋଉ spelling ଗୁଡା ଟିକେ ଆଉ ବାକି narration voice ଟିକେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଖିବା।
sir English
Heating element in an electric iron is usually made up of what? Constantan, nichrome, tungsten, copper.
Nichrome.
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 Element କହିଛି heating
ନା
element.
ନିକ୍ରୋମ sorry।
Nichrome. Next. Buckminster fullerene is an allotropic form of what? Phosphorus,
Carbon.
sulfur, correct.
Carbon.
Carbon. Next. Which is not correctly paired mines and minerals? Bailadila iron ore ठीक ना भूल फार्स्टटा माइन्स रो ना सेकेंडटा आयरन माने ओर रो ना बइलाडिला आयरन ओर ठीक ना भूल
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି
ठीक अछि सबुठु
correct
आयरन ओर हला माइन्स हला इंडिया रो बइलाडिला जोटा अछि छत्तीसगढ़ रे नेक्स्ट जवर जिंक सुबुनी की सुना जाउची ना
what correct
करेक्ट अछि बिल्कुल जवार माइन्स भी अछि कोठी अछि जवार माइन्स राजस्थान
मध्य प्रदेश।
मध्य प्रदेश
राजस्थान नेक्स्ट कुद्रेमुख बॉक्साइट
କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକ
कुद्रेमुख
कर्नाटक।
अरे कर्नाटक कोन बॉक्साइट कहूची मु कर्नाटक कोन आसला एठी कुद्रेमुख
bauxite नहीं
गोल्ड की
भूल
कुद्रेमुख
अछि
टा coal
भूल अछि आयरन ओर
गोल्ड हो
iron ore
iron ore
नेक्स्ट which of the following is usual unit of measurement for air pressure in India? Milliliter, milligram, millibar, centimeter.
बारह
millibar
millibar
Correct. Millibar.
में-
In which state Roopkund Lake is located?
millibar
छत्तीसगढ़
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ
रुककुंड
Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड
उत्तराखंड उत्तराखंड
मते थर बहुत डिसअपॉइंट लाଗୁଛି सेम टाइप रो क्वेश्चन केते थर पचारले भी आसुनी जेबे पचारले भी which metal is not an essential component of stainless steel? Iron, chromium, nickel, tin.
Tin.
तीन
Tin, correct.
Chrome 3.
Which is not an example of organic compound? Cane sugar, Mars gas, ammonium cyanate, urea.
Mars gas.
Urea.
Which is not an example of organic compound? Ammonium cyanate. Ammonium cyanate, NH4OCN, is not an organic compound. It is an inorganic compound because it contains nitrogen, carbon, and hydrogen without carbon hydrogen bond. Next. Which is not a requirement for photosynthesis? O2, CO2, water, chlorophyll.
CO2.
O2.
O2
O2, oxygen to produce हुए किंतु require हबो. Next.
हुए
Which 5-year plan focused on rapid industrialization based growth process? First, second,
Second.
seventh.
Second 5-year plan. Second.
Next. Which soil is ideal for growing cotton? Regur, desert, laterite, mountainous.
Tekur.
Regur soil.
Central,
जोटा
correct, Regur soil. Regur by black soil. Where is Central Institute of Buddhist Studies located? Almora, Gangtok, Leh, Kullu.
Almora.
Central Central Institute of Buddhist Studies. Leh Ladakh रे अछि. Next. Which of the following metals can be extracted using carbon as reducing agent? Which of the following metals can be extracted using carbon as reducing agent? Zinc, silver, gold, aluminum.
जिंक
Correct. Zinc oxide को यूज करा जाई परिबो कोक हिसाब रे as reducing agent. आउ आमे extract करि परिबा metal zinc. ZnO plus C gives rise to Zn plus CO. Kerosene and petrol mixture can be separated by which process? Sublimation, separating funnel, fractional distillation, compressing and cooling.
Third option टा.
Correct. Fractional
कंप्रेसिंग एंड
distillation.
कूलिंग
Fractional distillation. A mixture of two miscible liquids containing kerosene and petrol can be separated by fractional distillation because kerosene and petrol do not decompose on heating. तांकर boiling point difference टा भी हाई थाए. Next. Which କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ରକ୍ ଏଡିକ୍ଟ ଅଶୋକଙ୍କର ରକ୍ ଏଡିକ୍ଟରେ ତାଙ୍କର ପର୍ସନାଲ ନେମ୍ ଅଶୋକ ମେନସନ୍ ଅଛି. ବାହାପୁର, ବୈରାତ, ମାସ୍କି, ସାହସରାମ.
Maski.
मास्की
Correct, ମାସ୍କି. Next. Who is known as architect of Indian planning? John Mathai, V.K. R.V. Rao, P.C. Mahalanobis, Sukhamay Chakrabarti.
PC Mahalanobis.
P.C. Mahalanobis, correct. North, south, and east west road corridors of India cross each other at which city? Bhopal, Gwalior, Itarsi, Jhansi.
Gwalior.
Jhansi.
Jhan.
South and east west corridor cross each other at Jhansi. କୋଉଟା ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁଛି କହିବ. ଚାରିଟା ଅଛି ପେୟାର, ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁଛି କୋଉଟା? ଏପିକଲଚର ହନି, ସେରିକଲଚର ସିଲ୍କ, ସିଲଭିକଲଚର ଫରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରି, ଭିଟିକଲଚର ଗ୍ରେପ୍ସ.
Viticulture grapes.
विटिकल्चर
Grapes. Last.
करूची
एक्चुअलीରେ ସବୁ match
एपिकल्चर
କରୁଛି.
भी हनी ठीक अछि सब
ସବୁ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍.
सेरिकल्चर भी तो ठीक अच्छे
ସିଲଭିକଲଚର ବି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଫରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରି. ତ ସବୁ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁଛି. Which of the following crops is generally benefited by rain caused by western disturbance in India? Wheat.
Mango, sir.
Option हला wheat, rice, bajra, cotton. Western disturbance.
बाजरा
Wheat.
Correct.
Wheat.
Winter रे rainfall हबो हेले जाइकी तो wheat. Next. Which optical phenomenon supports that light is a transverse wave? Diffraction, refraction, interference, polarization.
पोलराइजेशन
Inter.
Polarization, correct. Polarization.
polarization
बहुत दिन स्टाटिक पचारुनी ना सब आसीଯିବ ନା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଦେଖିବା କଣ ଖବର
ତ ସେଇଟା ଯୋଉଟା କହିଥିଲି ଟିକେ ପଠେଇବେ
ଆରେ ହଁ ହଁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥିଲି ଦେଖିବା ମିଳୁଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଇଂଲିଶ ଏଡିସନ ମିଳୁଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆଗ
ହିନ୍ଦୀ ବି ଚଳିବ
ଦେଖିବା ଦେଖିକି କହିବି ଆଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ପଚାରିବି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ପରେ ସବୁ ଠିକ ହେବା ଦରକାର ଗୋଟେ ବି ଭୁଲ ହେବା କଥା ନୁହଁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା କିଏ କଣ ପଢିଛୁ ईस्ट इंडिया एसोसिएशन केबे फाउंड ହେଇଥିଲା 1836 1875 1866 1837
1866.
36
66
66.
करेक्ट 1866 ସବୁ ଆସିବା ଦରକାର ସବୁ ଆସିବା ଦରକାର नेक्स्ट बंग भाषा प्रकाशिका सभा was founded by whom द्वारकानाथ टैगोर जॉर्ज थॉमसन राजा राममोहन रॉय शिशिर कुमार घोष
राजा राममोहन
Raja
रॉय
Rammohn Roy.
करेक्ट राजा राममोहन रॉय ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବା କିଏ କେତେଟା ଠିକ କହୁଛି ଦେଖିବା ମୁଁ ଏଠି ନୋଟ କରିକି ରଖିବି ଆଜି ନାହିଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଥରଠୁ The Bangabhasha Prakashika Sabha was founded in 1836 ବେଙ୍ଗଲର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ଥିଲା ସେଟା 1836 ଯୋଉଟା ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା ବାଇ ରାଜା ରାମମୋହନ ରୟ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ହୋଲ୍ଡର ସୋସାଇଟି was founded in 1838 by whom
Lord Mackenzie.
1838 ଯାହାକୁ
Option.
ଅପସନ ହେଲା ଜର୍ଜ ଥମ୍ପସନ ଦାଦା ଭାଇ ନାରୋଜି ସୁରେନ୍ଦ୍ରନାଥ ବାନାର୍ଜୀ ଦ୍ୱାରକାନାଥ ଟେଗୋର
Dwarakanath
ଟାଗୋର
Tagore.
କି ହଁ ଦ୍ୱାରକାନାଥ ଟାଗୋର
କରେକ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଟାଇପର ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ ବହୁତ ଆସେ ଆଉ କ୍ରୋନୋଲୋଜି ଭଲସେ ମନେ ରଖିବା ଦରକାର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ବଙ୍ଗ ଭାଷା ପ୍ରକାଶିକା ସଭା 1836 ରାଜା ରାମମୋହନ ରୟ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଜମିନଦାରୀ ଆସୋସିଏସନ ବି କହନ୍ତି ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ହୋଲ୍ଡର ସୋସାଇଟିକୁ 1838 ବାय ଦ୍ୱାରକାନାଥ ଟେଗୋର ନେକ୍ସଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସୋସାଇଟି was founded by George Thompson in which year? ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସୋସାଇଟି ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ୱାର୍ଡଟା ଲାଗିଗଲା ହିଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ୱାର୍ଡ ଲାଗିଛି ମାନେ ଜଣେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶଟେ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ କରିଛି ତ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସୋସାଇଟି was founded in 1843 କହିବି ଦେଲି 1843 by ଜର୍ଜ ଥମ୍ପସନ କ୍ରୋନୋଲୋଜି ମନେ ରଖିବ ଏଟା ହେଲା ସବୁ ବେଙ୍ଗଲର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ବଙ୍ଗ ଭାଷା ପ୍ରକାଶିକା ସଭା କହିସାରିଲା ପରେ ପଚାରିବି ପରେ କ୍ରୋନୋଲୋଜି ସଜେଇବ ସେକେଣ୍ଡରେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ହୋଲ୍ଡର ସୋସାଇଟି ଯାହାକୁ ଜମିନଦାରୀ ଆସୋସିଏସନ କହନ୍ତି 1838 ଦ୍ୱାରକାନାଥ ଟେଗୋର ଥାର୍ଡ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସୋସାଇଟି 1843 ବାय ଜର୍ଜ ଥମ୍ପସନ ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା ଦୁଇଟା ମିଶିଯିବେ କୋଉ ଦୁଇଟା ମିଶିଯିବେ मर्ज ହେଇଯିବେ लैंड होल्डर सोसाइटी एंड बेंगल ब्रिटिश इंडिया सोसाइटी मर्ज ହେଇଯିବେ 1851 ରେ ଆଉ ନା ହେଇଯିବ ब्रिटिश इंडियन एसोसिएशन ହେଲା ब्रिटिश इंडियन एसोसिएशन एटा ହେଇଯିବ मर्ज ହେଲା ପରେ तो ऑटोमेटिकली मर्ज होची माने ପରେ हबो 1851 ହେଲା नेक्स्ट ହେଲା ईस्ट इंडिया एसोसिएशन 1866 बाय का द्वारा सोई पड़ला बोले
दादा भाई
दादा भाई नारोजी
दादा भाई नारोजी नेक्स्ट इंडियन लीग नेक्स्ट हला इंडियन लीग बेंगल रो ओनली गुडा इंडियन लीग 1875 के फाउंड करथिले इंडियन लीग 1875 को घोष
अरविंद घोष
शिशिर कुमार घोष शिशिर
कुमार घोष
1875 and last but not the least bengal ro last थिला 1876 इंडियन एसोसिएशन दी जण फाउंड करथिले सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी
सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी और
आनंद मोहन बोस आनंद मोहन बोस
आनंद मोहन बोस
सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी एंड आनंद मोहन बोस तो क्रोनोलॉजी भल से मन रखिया दरकार ईयर सहित फाउंडर बहुत आसे एटा मैच दकल तो वर्तमान मु कहितली सब आसिया दरकार जोटा पचारिबी आ पचार सारला परे एटा क्रोनोलॉजी पचारिबी नेक्स्ट को स्टेट रे अछि कहबो जूनागढ़ केव्स तू बुझी ना नहीं
मध्य प्रदेश की
जूनागढ़ केव्स गुजरात जूनागढ़ केव्स अछि गुजरात नेक्स्ट बाग केव्स
महाराष्ट्र
महाराष्ट्र नुहे मध्य प्रदेश
क्वेश्चन
बाग केव्स थिला बाग केव्स मध्य प्रदेश नेक्स्ट एलिफेंटा केव्स
महाराष्ट्र
करेक्ट
महाराष्ट्र
नेक्स्ट एलोरा केव्स टोटल केतेटा केव अछि एलोरा केव्स रे
34
32
एलूर
32 अजंता केव्स रे केतेटा केव्स अछि
18
29
18 के
29 29
29
अजंता केव्स मुख्यतः को रिलीजियन सहित रिलेटेड
बुद्धिज्म
बुद्धिस्ट
बुद्धिज्म नेक्स्ट नासिक केव्स को स्टेट रे अछि
महाराष्ट्र
महाराष्ट्र
महाराष्ट्र नॉर्दर्न इंडिया रे मुख्यतः नागार स्टाइल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर फेमस ठीक ना बोल
करेक्ट
ठीक अछि
करेक्ट कोणार्क टेम्पल जगन्नाथ टेम्पल लिंगराज टेम्पल नगर स्कूल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर एग्जांपल
ठीक अछि
नगर ना बेसर गोटे एमती कोन गोटे थिला
ठीक अछि
कलिंग
आ गोटे कोन
हां
करेक्ट
सेटा भी सही सब स्कूल
नगर
तार सब स्कूल रे आसुची सेतरा तो ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट Shore temple at Mahabalipuram, Kailashnath temple at Kanchipuram are examples of Dravidian style of architecture.
ठीक अछि
करेक्ट
Correct. Brihadishwar temple at Tanjore was built by Rajendra Chola.
ठीक अछि
करेक्ट करेक्ट
ठीक अछि
भूल अच्छी
ठीक अछि
भूल अच्छी
राज्य
राजराजवन की
राजराजवान
करेक्ट Raja Raja 1. Next, Gangai Konda Cholapuram temple was built by Rajendra Chola.
प्रथम राज्य राजन राज्य नहीं करेक्ट करेक्ट से
Correct. Rajendra Chola. Gangai Konda Cholapuram temple. Next. Temples at Badami and Birupaksa temple at Pattadakal are built with Besara style of architecture.
Correct.
Correct. Besara hela dita jaka feature thibo Nagara au Dravidian style ro mixture.
Dravid.
Bartaman next. Maski inscription is located in which state?
ASCII Karnataka.
Karnataka. Kalinga edicts is located in Odisha.
ओडिशा
Kalinga Edict Odisha.
Aihole inscription କୋଉ state?
Punjab.
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Next. Hathi Gumpha inscription.
Odisha.
ओडिशा
Odisha. Rumindei pillar edicts.
Bihar.
Bihar. Correct. Next. Mehroli iron pillar inscription. Delhi. Next. Aihole inscription was written in Sanskrit by Ravi Kirti. ठीक ना भूल?
ठीक अच्छे
Correct.
ठीक अच्छे
रवि कीर्ति काହାର कोट पोएट थिले?
Chandragupta II.
पुलकेशिन.
Sorry, Pulakeshin.
नेक्स्ट. नुआ नुआ आवाज आସୁଛି ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ. नेक्स्ट. स्लेव डायनेस्टी कर जो स्टाइल थिला ताकू मामलुक स्टाइल कहंती. ठीक ना भूल?
ठीक अच्छे
ठीक ଅଛି
कुवतुल इस्लाम.
Mamluk style.
हाँ आर्किटेक्चर. नेक्स्ट. खिलजी डायनेस्टी जो स्टाइल डेवलप करथिले ताकू सेलजुक स्टाइल कहंती. ठीक ना भूल? एटा भी ठीक अछि जानि नथिले जाने थाओ. सेलजुक स्टाइल, मामलुक स्टाइल, स्लेव डायनेस्टी, सेलजुक स्टाइल, खिलजी डायनेस्टी. को डायनेस्टी स्टार्ट करथिला कहूची कोन करथिला? ऑक्टागोनल टॉम्ब्स. ऑक्टागोनल टॉम्ब बनेबा स्टार्ट करथिला को डायनेस्टी? दिल्ली सुल्तानत रो को डायनेस्टी? सैयद डायनेस्टी. नेक्स्ट. एबे बहुत दिनर पचारिनी. किए लिखिथिले? सुलभ सूत्र.
Sorry, क्या option?
ଭଦ୍ରବାହୁ କି ନାଥୁଳ ଭଦ୍ର ନା
ऑप्शन कहूची. ऑप्शन हला आचार्य पिंगल, अपस्तंभ. नेक्स्ट. बौधायन, बराह मिहिर.
पिंगल
बौद्धायन है कि
Bodhayan.
करेक्ट. बौधायन लिखिथिले. नेक्स्ट. आर्यभट्ट किए लिखिथिले?
Aryabhatta.
आर्यभट्ट.
आर्यभट्ट
बृहत संहिता किए लिखिथिले?
Sorry, Aryabhatta.
नहीं बराह
Sorry, Bruhat Samhita Chora. Barahamira.
बराह मिहिर. ब्रह्मस्पुत सिद्धांतिक किए लिखिथिले? ब्रह्मस्पुत सिद्धांतिक ସେଇଥିରେ ହିଁ
Option.
ନାଁରେ ହିଁ ଆନ୍ସର ଅଛି.
ब्रह्मगुप्त
ବ୍ରହ୍ମଗୁପ୍ତ. କରେକ୍ଟ. ବ୍ରହ୍ମଗୁପ୍ତ. ବ୍ରହ୍ମସ୍ପୁତ ସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତିକ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମଗୁପ୍ତ ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 0 ଇଜ ଏ ନମ୍ବର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା. ନେକ୍ସଟ. ଗଣିତ ସାର ସଂଗ୍ରହ କିଏ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ? ଗଣିତ ସାର ସଂଗ୍ରହ ଅପସନ୍ ହେଲା ଭାସ୍କରାଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ, ମହାବୀରାଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ, ବରାହ ମିହିର,